Choudhary from class 7th. Today we are going to discuss the chapter Profit and Loss. So, in this video we are going to discuss some formulas and solve some question. So, to define the profit and loss, we require two terms, which is cost price. So, what is a cost price? The price at which an article is purchased is known as cost price. It is written as CP. And selling price, the selling price is the price at which an article is sold, written as SP. Now next is profit. When there is a profit, there is selling price is always greater than the cost price, and in loss it is cost price is greater than selling price. Okay, now we are going to discuss some formulas that we are going to solve and take an help to solve these questions. So first, as we know that the profit is equals to SP, selling price, minus cost price, and similarly the loss would be cost price minus selling price. So now we are going to find out how can we find out the profit percentage. So the profit percentage is nothing but the profit at 100 rupees, which would be profit divided by CP into 100 percentage. The next is loss percentage. It is loss divided by CP into 100 percentage. So now we have find out the profit and loss, profit percentage and loss percentage. Now we are going to find out the cost price and selling price. So it would be selling price is equal to 100 plus gain or the profit percentage divided by 100 into CP. So if we have loss profit percentage, and if we are in loss, the formula to find out the SP or selling price when we are in loss is 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100 into CP. And now we have found out the selling price. Now with cost price. So cost price is equals to 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage into SP. And when we are in loss, it would be 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage into SP. So these are the 8 formulas that we are going to require to solve some questions. So now let's begin our first question, which is a tricycle was purchased at rupees 1120 and sold for rupees 1260. Find the gain and gain percentage. So as we discussed, the gain and the gain percentage are nothing but the profit and profit percentage, in which we are in the profit, which is selling price is greater than the cost price. So to find out the gain percentage or the profit it would be SP minus CP, and the profit percentage it would be this formula. So now let's first find out the profit. It would be 1260 minus 1120. It would be 140. So now let's put in the value, which is profit percentage is equal to profit, which is 140 divided by CP, which is 1120 into 100 percentage. If you do this calculation correctly, you will find the answer 12.5 percentage. So the answer of this question is the gain is rupees 140 or 140, and the gain percentage is 12.5 percentage. So now let's move to the next question. So the question is that an article was brought at rupees 400 and sold for rupees 336. Find the loss and loss percentage. This question is similar to the last one, but that was the profit percentage and profit, it is the loss and loss percentage. So as the CP is greater than the SP, we are in loss. So to find the loss, we have to follow this formula, which is loss is equals to CP minus SP, which is 400 minus 336, which would be 64. So the loss is 64, and to find out the loss percentage, this formula is required, which is loss is equals to loss percentage is equals to loss 64 divided by cost price, which is 400, and into 100 percentage, which would be 4 and is equals to 16 percentage. So the correct answer of this question is loss is equals to 64 rupees and the loss percentage is 16 percentage. So now let's move to the next question. So friends, the question is that if the cost price of 6 pencil is equal to the selling price of 5 pencil, find the gain percentage. This question looks tricky, but it is easy to solve. So assume that the cost price of 1 pencil is rupees 1. So the cost price of 5 pencils would be rupees 5, and the selling price of the 5 pencils is rupees 6, which is this is CP and this is SP. So we are in gain, like SP is greater than CP. So the gain, which is it is easy, that 6 minus 5 is rupees 1. So now a profit is equals to 1 divided by 5 into 100 percentage. So if you do the calculation correct, your answer would be 20 percentage. So the gain percentage is 20 percentage. Let's move to the next question. So friends, the question is find the SP of an article of which CP is equals to 650 and gain is equals to 6 percentage. So the previous questions were to find out the gain percentage, loss and loss percentage. So in both of the question we have to find the SP, means selling price. So let's start, which is, so selling price is equals to 100 plus gain. We are in gain, so we will take 6 divided by 100 into cost price, which is 650. So when we cancel out the 0 and do the calculation correctly, we get the answer 689 rupees. So the SP means selling price is equals to 689. So the answer of this question is selling price is equals to 689 rupees. So the next question is the SP of a table, those CP is equals to 3,300 and loss is equals to 10%. So in this question there was a gain, and in this question there is a loss. So SP is equals to 100 minus, which is 10% loss, 10 divided by 100 into 3,300, which is, if you do the calculation correctly, the correct answer is 2970 rupees. So the SP of this question or in this is 2970. So friends, I hope that you understand this chapter and understand all the questions that we solved. Thank you.